Hi all, my name is Ekaterina Prigara. I work for JetBrains. I'm not actually a developer. My position is called Product Marketing Manager. A little bit about myself. I have a background in computer science. I'm originally from St. Petersburg, Russia, and it's about a year since I came to Munich. So at the senior year of my bachelor's, I started learning JavaScript and a bit about front-end development and web technologies. And then I've been working about a year as an intern front-end developer in one of the Russian big internet companies. But then I decided to make a change and started a master program in international business, but focusing on innovation management. And right after that, I started my job at JetBrains, first in St. Petersburg and now in Munich as a product marketing manager. So JetBrains is a company that makes tools for developers. It's kind of the same market and the same people as the product that Agnieszka's team is making. But our main business is in making IDEs. So anyone heard this word before? IDE? Okay, yeah, I'll jump to that just in a second. And I'll tell briefly about my role. Position is called Product Marketing Manager. One of the interesting things about JetBrains is that the company is very the structure is very flat, so we don't have a lot of managers and we have quite a lot of freedom what each individual person can do. And almost everyone in the company, they actually write code. So even in my position of marketing manager, since the product is for developers, I have to also be into technologies and understand what's going on in the ecosystem of JavaScript development and web development, and to communicate the knowledge that I get from the customers and the market to the product team, so we can make the really cool products that can really help software developers to write programs. So yeah, that's part of my job. Another part is just doing some marketing activities like going to conferences, writing blog posts, and so on. So the product that I'm working on is called WebStorm. Oh, well, okay, never mind. This was a screenshot of the product. It's a software that you can run to write your code. So basically, you can write your code in simple text editor, like, I don't know, TextPad or something like that. But when the project gets bigger and more complex, and lots of people are working on that, or you are just starting and you don't really sure how things are working, IDE can help you. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and one of the cool things about that is that it analyzes the whole project that you are working on, and then it suggests you the names for the functions and methods and all things like that. It helps you navigate through the project, and there are also very nice features for those who are just starting, like code analysis. So since the IDE knows about your project and how the code is written, it can point you to the locations where some bottlenecks are or some code issues. And so here I wanted to say that it's not true that experienced developers spend lots of their time writing a new code. It's not very real numbers on this chart, but the idea is that most of the developers, they just spend most of the time trying to read someone else's code, understand it, read some books, Google something, and only a little fraction of their time is spent on writing the real code, real new code. They also spend quite a lot of time just modifying something that they wrote like 2 days or like a year ago. And so this part of understanding code is really crucial. And IDE can help with that. I also put some tips on what I wanted to like say to people who are just starting writing some JavaScript. I want to say that it's totally fine that you don't spend all your time just writing something new. You should experiment to try to achieve better results, and also you have to invest some time in using the tools that can help you be more productive, like version control systems or some build tools. Yeah, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Yeah, here is also a link. We have a free licenses for students. So if you want to try IDEs from JetBrains, you can go to that link and apply. Yeah, thank you.